Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to share with you my actual methodology, and I'm going to be explaining throughout what I'm doing, and you're going to see my notes, and you're going to see a lot of different attacks that I believe is going to be incredibly useful to you, especially if you're on your way to do the OSCP. So sit back, relax. I hope you learned something useful, and please enjoy the video. Hello and welcome everyone. So we're going to be doing a machine called Croc Crew. So I'm going to be joining this room. And this is the free room, as you can see right here, so anyone can do it. Now this room is also rated as hard, or insane rather. But we're going to be attempting it. And yeah. And if you've not downloaded the VPN or you don't know how to, you can just go to Manage Account, and then at the bottom, click VM VPN settings. And then you can simply hit configuration files, and then you can download your configuration file right here. And then it will go to your home folder in downloads, like so. And then you can just connect to it like so. Simple as that. And when it says initialization sequence completed, you know that it's ready. So perfect. Now you can just hit Ctrl-Shift-T, open a new terminal, close this, and the IP is hopefully ready. I have not started the machine yet, so it's a bit silly, but yeah. We can prepare the folder nevertheless. So let me just go to root, try hack me, like so. Perfect. There we go, it's ready. And we can export target. Like so. You can make a new tab, do the same. Export target, like so. Perfect. And then we can pretty much just go to nodes, and we can start scanning the target like so. And we'll see what ports are open. It's possible as well that it's not up and ready just yet, because we just got booted up. Doesn't seem like it. So let me just wait with that and ping it and wait until it's ready. 152, that looks correct. And let me just close and reopen the VPN, just in case. It's booted up correctly. So now we're just pretty much waiting on the machine to properly boot up. It might take a little bit. Let's see, is there any task file that I need? We've done all of that, that's fine. Yeah, it's just saying that we can connect with browser as well. You can pretty much just go here and start the attack box, and it will open browser on the right side. But yeah, there we go. It's up and running. And okay, so no task file, that's fine. So we will just get started as we normally do. Perfect. Then we can go back to this, and it should now respond. There we go. And we can see that this is in fact a domain controller. Initial access to segment part of the network, and you find only one device, a domain controller. Okay. So we don't really have anything else, so we're going to be hacking into this, hopefully, and see what's up. Now, it's rated as insane, so this is probably going to be pretty difficult, but that's okay. We will do the same checks we normally do nevertheless. So this is DC. We can go and check it with netexec to find the domain. So this is going to be cookdos.corp. That's fine. Add it to etc host, like so. And IP like so. There we go. And I would like to see if we can do anything with anonymous access of sorts. So let me do it like so. Can we get access to, for instance, the users? We cannot. What about the guest account? So the guest account is disabled. That's unfortunate. Now, it might be possible to do it with Red Brute still. Not with guest, because that's disabled. But with a pretty much nothing. Unfortunately, we can't. Let me try the same over LDAP. Now, Red Brute is not available over LDAP. But users are. Yeah, okay. Silo we can't. Let's say RPC client maybe. Target. We cannot. Let's say RPC. Let me try this. Okay, what about enum users? Enum users. Status denied. Probably this is not going right. Let me try this as well. So let's see, cats at the host, like so. That's the wrong IP. Let me do targets. Okay, let's see. Is there any information here that we could utilize? These are just we could try remote print spoofer later on if you really need to. But for now I'm interested in users. And by the way, all I'm just doing is just that I'm following more or less the checklist. You can grab it as like this as well. I have my VM ready to download inside the course. You could just grab it for free if you want as well. We have a free trial, so you can just join, grab it, and leave if you want to. But yeah, so I'm pretty much just following the checklist, scanning the ports, checking for access to find all of the users if we can. Because then text like ASP roasting opens up to us, etc. Because we don't have any initial set of credentials so far. And if we did, things would be a lot simpler. Let me just verify that there is no users in this data. It really doesn't seem like it. Let me just actually output this and then RPC data. Let's say, okay. Grabbed user. User profile. This is pretty much the same data, right? RPC. Yeah, we don't find any usernames. Guest profile is also not available. Yeah, doesn't seem like it. And if you find this video useful, then you're absolutely gonna love this. We have a massive, free-to-try, 25-hour plus OSCP course that you can see that people are just absolutely loving. That inside gives you all of the resources that you need to crush the OSCP. We have a massive roadmap that literally covers everything. We cover initial access, privilege escalation, Windows and Linux. We cover Active Directory. We cover post-exploitation. We cover lateral movement. We cover pivoting, tunneling. We cover the exam. We cover the reporting. We cover all of the attacks that you need and all of the techniques that you need for OSCP. We also cover all the rooms that you need to do and all of the rooms is linked inside. We cover Active Directory chains as well. And we literally cover everything. And you will instantly get all of these resources once you join. So click the link down below, Try it completely for free. I'll see you inside.